Pressure washers seem to be a necessity in the modern day lives of the average person, but we have always been used to the normal chunky units. Well, there is an alternative option from ESSGOO. It's a completely cordless battery powered washer that promises to deliver you the power of a conventional unit, but with the added portability aspect. Well, for $123, can it really live up to the hype? Well, let's find out and unbox this guy. So in the box you get everything you need to get yourself up and running. You get a water pipe for use with a bucket if wanted, a foam pot for the use with snow foam for cars, a 30,000 mAh battery, a short adjustable nozzle, power brick for charging, a pipe connector, the main long nozzle, a filter tank which connects up to your pipe if you wish to use this from a bucket, and obviously the gun itself. Now I will say off the bat that the unit itself does have some weight to it. I was expecting it to feel very light and feel cheap in hand, but I was pleasantly surprised in this area. Yes, the unit does use a lot of plastic throughout its build quality, and you can see why the price is so low, but it does feel solid despite its cheap aesthetics. Now the battery itself offers around 90 minutes of operational time, and that's from the 30,000 mAh model. Now that is pretty impressive. That is more than enough time to get enough done. Now setup is dead simple, and it all depends on how you intend to use it. You take the large nozzle and insert it into the base port of the sprayer. Then you will add the smaller nozzle which fits in on the same premise. However you intend on getting your water source, you do have two options. One from a bucket using the hose and filter supplied, or using a hose. I do actually recommend using a hose itself because it adds more pressure to the unit as well. Now the small nozzle acts as the pressure point which can be controlled in intensity. A simple click of the trigger will begin the motor, and you can twist the end of the nozzle too to play around with the spray pattern. From a scattered like water down to a very intense high pressured streak of water. Now in terms of how intense that pressure is, well, this was actually where I was surprised as well. I didn't expect a level as high as this from such a small unit, but I guess technology has improved highly, and as you can see it has no problem in lifting the dirt from these paving slabs. It is slightly heavy in hand due to the battery weight and the unit itself being all built in, but it only becomes an issue over longer uses of time. I can easily hold it while spraying with one hand, and it doesn't really become an issue for me. In terms of car cleaning, once again, quite pleasantly surprised. The snow foam tank can be filled with any foam liquid of your choice. I do recommend a more premium brand as it's more likely to output a larger amount of foam. The unit simply twists and clicks onto the end, and that's it. So moving on to the actual foaming process, it takes a bit of fiddling with the spray pattern to find the best foaming action, but once you get there it's very simple to operate. The foam gets outputted at a reasonable intensity, nothing like a professional unit could do, but good enough for home use. Once you have your desired amount of foam, you can just remove the foaming tank and begin to use the pressure washer as normal again. As I said, the whole process actually exceeded my expectation for the price point. The spray can be controlled to how you desire, and it was far more powerful than I expected, especially when it came to cleaning them paving slabs. All in all, I was very pleased with this unit. It performs so much better than I expected, and that portability aspect is such a dream. Yes, this isn't the most robust unit on the market, nor is it one of the most premium, but at the current asking price and what it can deliver, I really do think we can't complain. Be sure to check out this product in the link in the description. Let me know what you think, and as always, till next time.